Welcome to How to Sell on eBay, the full step-by-step beginner's guide where I take you guys hand in hand as we create a successful eBay dropshipping business without worrying about account suspensions, eBay flagging accounts and decreasing our sales and visibility, and eBay's selling limits, which limits us from expanding and scaling right from the start. Hello everyone, my name is Liran from AutoDS. I'm the content manager and I've also been dropshipping for the last several years, and in this video I'm going to take you guys hand in hand as we create a successful eBay dropshipping store together and start making sales even from day one. For those of you who don't know the dropshipping business model, it's been around for a while, it's not going anywhere, and one of the best things about getting started on eBay is that there are no upfront costs at all. You can start creating your business with zero expenses. This means that all that's left to do is to acquire the right amount of knowledge, because if you don't learn the right way and you don't learn from other people's mistakes and you don't take the right steps to creating your store so that you can avoid getting account suspensions, and even if you do get a temporary suspension, you'll know exactly what you need to do to get over it, and other problems like eBay flagging accounts, decreasing all of the traffic that you're getting to your listings, and decreasing your sales. And on top of that, eBay selling limit. That's one of the hardest challenges to get over when you're starting a new eBay seller account. Now let's start from the beginning. So we know that dropshipping is a business model that allows us to fulfill orders and have an online store without paying for your inventory up front. This means that you can simply choose a supplier, import products that supplier is holding in his inventory, sell it on your store for a higher price, and your profit is the difference between your supplier's price and the price that you have on your eBay store. This business model has been working for years and it's definitely not going to go anywhere. And for those of you who don't know about eBay, so eBay has been around for a long time. It started as an auction-based platform, but in time, people started selling also in buy it now prices. It usually started as garage sales and just selling products that you have laying around your home, and quickly turned into a huge marketplace for retailers and dropshippers alike. And that is how eBay makes most of its profit, from its online retailers and its dropshippers, two business models that are making them a whole lot of cash. So we know that the dropshipping business model means that we're selling products that we have on other suppliers' websites, we're selling them on our stores, and as soon as we make a sale, we simply go to our supplier's website, purchase the product, and ship it directly to our customer. There's a few ways of doing that, and we're going to talk about all of these things along with product research, how to sign up and how to even start selling on eBay, marketing methods, order fulfillment, customer service. Product research, of course, is one of the most important things that we're going to touch here, because at the end of the day, if you're not selling a product that someone is willing to buy, then you're not going to make any sales no matter how beautiful your store is. So we're going to be touching up all of these things starting right now. Also, keep in mind that you have different regions that you can sell on. You don't only have to sell on eBay US. Now, of course, eBay US holds the US market, which is one of the biggest markets when it comes to demand and how much they buy, but you have other marketplaces like eBay UK, eBay Canada, eBay Australia. These marketplaces, I wouldn't call them untapped marketplaces, but compared to the US, it's completely untapped, and you can make so much profit also dropshipping on there. So keep that in mind as we move forward. When you create your eBay account, you can create it on any of the marketplaces that I just talked about.